Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You need to act now. Plug the Chromecast into an HDMI port and power it with the official adapter. Make sure your Motorola TV input matches that HDMI. Once done, confirm both the TV and your phone or laptop are on the same Wi-Fi network. 2, 4 or 5 GHz both work. You should update the TV firmware and the Google Home or Casting app. This prevents handshakes failing. Finally, enable network discovery and local device permissions on your phone so the devices can see each other. Now, open Google Home or a casting-enabled app on your device and locate the Chromecast name shown on the TV. This verifies the physical link. Tap to begin setup, read the 4-digit code on screen, and confirm it matches your phone. Next, name the Chromecast so you can identify it quickly: living room, bedroom, etc. And enter the Wi-Fi credentials. Make sure you grant location and local network permissions when prompted, because without them, the app cannot discover or control the Chromecast reliably. You can start casting immediately. Open a cast-capable app and tap the cast icon, or in Chrome choose Cast and select your Chromecast. Once streaming, use the Motorola TV remote and the app to tweak audio and HD settings for best quality. Latency often improves when you set video to 720p or 1080p rather than higher. If casting fails, restart the TV, router, and Chromecast in that order. This clears most network states. As a final troubleshooting step only, perform a factory reset on the Chromecast to rerun setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.